What up out there, all you folks in Lala? What up out there, all you folks in YouTube land? So today we're going to talk about making that app, making that multi-million dollar mobile app idea you have in your mind. What's the best way to do it? What's the best no-code platform? How do you put together a team? How do you product manage yourself? How many hours is it going to take? What's the investment going to look like in it? How do you recruit devs? What devs do you need? What are the skill sets? What are their backgrounds? All of those things matter. As you can see right now, I'm somewhere beautiful and tropical as I come to you from here. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? This is the world that tech creates for you when you get into it, right? And I'm working on a mobile app right now. It's a paraphernalia app for Airbnb. I'm working on mainly for Airbnb hosts to capitalize on something that I saw, a problem I wanted to solve. And I'm going to walk you through how I create this app, recruitment, what platform we use, the cost, the expenses, negotiating. How many hours is it going to take? How many hours do you know? How do you know how many hours it's going to take? Designing all those details, all those minute details that go into making an app. In this case, it's not really so much a full-fledged app. It's an MVP, right? It's the most valuable product we can create to get out there and test it, iterate, rebuild, construct something better, or maybe not. Maybe what we present would be just good enough. But in any circumstance, you need direction, you need consultation, you need to want to know, how do I go about building a mobile app? Because right now, where the playing field is laid out at, AI is going to wipe everybody up. And so the new fields are going to be, if you're not an AI prompt engineer, which I predict to be the next big thing, AI prompt engineering. If you're not an AI prompt engineer and you're not already a dev, all is not lost. You can still utilize these skills to make yourself a lucrative career and earn a lot of money. Everything you see right now where I'm at is paid for by working in tech. It's paid for by me working as a freelance UX designer, as a freelance web designer. So everything's still out there, but I do the beginning part, right? I do design, so that's different. I don't think AI is ever going to replace designers. It's a long way away. It may help us iterate. It may help us with testing. It may help us conceive better usability, better human-centered design options, because obviously we can't run through all of them. So we have to kind of go with our gut and our instinct. But for the most part, we're not going nowhere. But I still want to reinvent myself. I still want to develop the next iteration of myself. So while I'm pivoting into Design Advocate, I'm here for you. I'm here for any advice or questions you may have. You want to know how to do this, how to jump off the porch, and get out here and be remote, or as they say, digital nomad. Both of those are jargon terms that don't really exist. At the end of the day, it's just getting out here in the world and working. That's it. If you don't create product, if you don't work, if you don't network, you're none of those things. None of those things happen without the solid foundation. Clients, product. You got to have clients and still be making your own product, My first product served as my calling card to everything else, So you got to have these things. So I'm here for you guys to consult with me about building this app, and you're going to see in the next couple of days, we're going to build this app from scratch and roll it out. All right. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and reach out to me. I look forward to hearing from you. I'm going to get back to the beach. It's my first Monday and probably my only Monday off. Peace.